One of the most iconic American muscle cars of all time has just made history again. The 1968 Shelby Mustang GT500, already revered by collectors and enthusiasts, has now set a world record, becoming the most expensive 1968 Shelby GT500 ever sold at auction. The hammer dropped at a stunning $412,500 during Mecum's Indy 2025 auction, propelling this classic drop top into a new league of automotive royalty. The auction, which wrapped up on May 17, featured an impressive lineup of vintage muscle, but few made waves like this raven black convertible. It didn't just break records, it shattered them. Until now, only one other 1968 GT500 had breached the $400,000 mark. That record was previously held by the EFI prototype fastback, which sold for $396,000 in 2021. But this convertible didn't just edge past it, it made a statement. Why did this particular GT500 reach such sky-high numbers? Well, rarity is always a factor, and this car checks all the boxes. For starters, it's one of only 402 convertibles produced by Shelby in 1968. Even more exclusive, it features factory-installed air conditioning, an option so rare it was almost mythical back then. This detail alone, backed by an official Marti Report, pushes its value up significantly in collector circles. Then there's the restoration. This car isn't just clean, it's concours-ready. Everything from its deep raven black exterior to the all-black interior and factory-correct white soft top has been meticulously restored to original specifications. The attention to detail makes this car a museum piece, not just a weekend cruiser. Under the hood, the GT500 stays true to its muscle car roots. It's powered by a numbers-matching 428 cubic inch V8 engine producing 360 horsepower, paired with a desirable 4-speed automatic transmission. The engine was professionally rebuilt in 2006, ensuring that the performance matches its pristine looks. This historic GT500 comes with a backstory, too. Originally sold in Arizona, the car found a home in the Thunder Dome Car Museum in recent years, where it was part of a cherished collection. Interestingly, it was last sold at auction in 2015 for just $104,500, a nearly fourfold increase in value over 10 years. This auction wasn't just a win for this one car, either. The GT500 is part of a larger Shelby showcase at Mecum's Indy 2025, which featured 17 classic Shelby Mustangs. Among them, a 1969 GT500 fastback fetched $143,000, while a 1965 GT350 SR was sold for $134,750. A 1966 GT350 fastback drew strong interest but didn't meet reserve, even after a high bid of $180,000. And the auction isn't over yet. Mecum still has some firepower left to go under the hammer, including a 1-of-6 1969 GT500 convertible, a 1-of-1 1970 GT350 fastback, and a low-mileage 1968 GT500 KR with only 12,000 miles on the clock. But for now, all eyes are on this record-breaking 1968 Shelby GT500 convertible. It didn't just sell, it rewrote the book on what a GT500 is worth. For collectors, this sale is a wake-up call. Shelby Mustangs, especially rare convertibles with factory options and matching numbers, are hotter than ever. So if you've been sitting on a classic GT500 or dreaming of owning one, now might be the time to act. This car just proved that in the world of vintage American muscle, legends never die, they just get more valuable.